Hello everyone, this is Eden and welcome back to the La Victoria Family channel. Today's vlog is a quick room tour of our accommodations from Gladstone to Sydney Trip. Alright, so this is the bedroom
of the kids. Ayan, double deck siya. Good for 4. Ito ang kanilang wardrobe. Okay. And I'm gonna tour you dito sa loob. Itong toilet. Yes. And then this one is the kitchen or the dining area. Nasaan yung B&B?
Ayan guys, pasensya na sa kalat namin kasi kakarating lang namin sa biyahe. This is the living area. And again, the dining area. And welcome to the master's bedroom.
Ito yung aming room. At ito yung toilet. Isa yung light pala. Alright. Ayan. With the haggard face. Wow, ang ganda ng moon, oh. Ito yung overlooking to sa sa beach side ng Coffs Harbor. Ayan, ang ganda. Mas maganda to tingnan bukas. So this time, makikita nyo lang is the lights and
years later.
Good morning everyone. Ayan, dito kami sa Korora, New South Wales. Dito kami nag-sleep over kasi mahababang trip pa to going to Sydney. So we have our one night stay here. Pinakita ko sa inyo last night pala yung buong bahay. Ayan, kakatapos ko lang magligo. Ayan. Fresh na kahapon, haggardness is real. Alright, I'm gonna show you this morning the view here in our veranda. Ayan.
2,000 years later.
So, this is our Airbnb in Sydney. Ito yung kwarto ng mga bata. Say hi naman, guys. Hello, hi. Weweng, gigik. Hi. Hello. May mayayain mga bata eh. Okay lang yan. Ayan. So, this is our dining room. Ayan. Isa din kitchen. Ayan. Simple but nice. Nandito ang laundry area. Ayan. Alright, so pasensya na kayo guys sa kalat kasi kakarating lang naman ulit namin sa biyahe. Bag ko nandyan na. Hindi na nakaayos. Pasensya na. And then this room for Lester. Ayan. And this is our toilet. Ayun. And meron kaming veranda. Ting, ting, ting. There you go. Ayan. Medyo kalat pa kasi kakarating lang namin.
$2,000 years later.
So that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and if you want to update more of our videos, please don't forget to subscribe at the La Victoria family channel.